Irene and welcome back to Yooeating. This is the second part of our two-part LA Koreatown series, and we're going to be focusing on LA Kalbi. Kalbi in Korea was originally made with English cut short ribs, which are the actual bone with meat attached, or it's butterflied open for grilling. But Korean immigrants in Los Angeles were having a hard time finding that cut, and instead they were finding this specific flanken cut. This lateral cut, which is characterized by the three little bones, isn't unique to Korean food. It is something that has been found in Jewish cuisine or Chinese cuisine, but it was something that was adopted by Korean American immigrants in LA because of the proliferation of Mexican supermarkets in the region. So I'm gonna be using pear for my marinade, which will tenderize the meat super quickly. Still working on my ajuma hair cutting. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in this plastic bag to marinate the meat in. It makes it a lot easier to store in the fridge. Alright, so we're gonna pop this in the fridge. Are we ready? So we've been marinating this for, I think, 3 hours. Two or 3 hours. So now it's ready to go. The sauce is like really sticky, so it can get burnt on the grill. So if you're doing this outside, make sure you grill your grates. Make sure they're really clean. And these are also really good to cook on charcoal too. Okay, getting ready. I'm gonna shake off the excess marinade so it doesn't burn. Here we go. That one's good to go. Alright, so this is our LA Kalbi, which wraps up our LA Koreatown series. I'm just going to finish garnishing it with some sesame seeds all over and some scallions. Just make it cute. And now I got my handy dandy scissors, and I'm just going to cut them up into bite-sized pieces for everyone. This one's for Nick. And this one's for Pierce. Alright. Are really tender, really sweet, and meaty. And there's they're like perfect for a nice summer barbecue. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.